In today's video I'm going to be taste testing the Speculaas Dutch cookie from Stach. So let's get inside and find out if it's my cup of tea. Let's go.
Yeah? Cookie with spice.
It's got spice in it.
Yeah, kind of.
That's like a Dutch cookie, yeah? Speculaas.
Yeah, Speculaas it is.
Nice. Can I have one of those, please?
You can, yes, of course. Is it for you to take away?
Take away. Okay. Nice. Got loads of nice things here. Please.
You never heard about Speculaas?
I've tried the. I had some cookies from the supermarket, but I've never tried a. I mean, not a cookie. I had a biscuit. I had like a Speculaas biscuit.
Ah, yeah. These are bigger and they're not that crunchy.
Yeah.
They're more soft.
All right, I'll give it a go.
Sorry. Maar
I was asked to try a cookie, so I got this Dutch Speculaas cookie. Give it a whirl! Let's give it a whirl! Smell like. Smells similar to those biscuits I had from Plus. I think this is going to taste nicer. The flavour is a lot stronger in this than the cookies. I mean the biscuits. What it looks like. Quite nice. It's not got any chocolate in or anything. Very crispy. I don't really think it's my type of thing. It tastes a little bit like the Dutch crust, the apple pie crust you get in apple pies. Yeah. Almost like a twang of ginger in it. It's quite good though. I give it a 3.5 out of 5. Save the rest for later. So it's just a quick cookie review today from the Stach store. The Speculaas cookie. Thanks for watching, and you can follow me on all my social media outlets to keep up to date with what I'm doing. And as always, I'll check you on another food review in the future.